Hello. Today we're going to talk about seasons. Many places on Earth have 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. These seasons happen because of how the Earth moves around the sun. Each season has different weather, like temperature and how much sunlight there is, and these changes can affect both plants and animals. Spring is when the weather starts to get warmer and there's more sunlight. This is a time of new beginnings. Trees start to grow new leaves and flowers start to bloom. Seeds that were dormant in the winter begin to sprout. Many animals have babies in the spring. Some animals that migrated for winter, like birds, return back to their normal habitat. Summer is the warmest season with the most sunlight. It's a time of lots of growth. Plants grow very quickly and make lots of food. Fruits and vegetables ripen. Young animals grow bigger and stronger. Many animals are very active finding food and taking care of their young. Fall or autumn is when the weather starts to cool down and there's less sunlight. Plants and animals start getting ready for winter. Some trees begin to lose their leaves. This helps them save energy for the winter. Fruits are harvested and seeds are spread. Some animals store food for the winter. They migrate to warmer places, and some prepare to hibernate. Winter is the coldest season with the least amount of sunlight. It's a time for rest. Many plants become dormant, meaning they stop growing. Some trees lose all their leaves. Some animals hibernate, meaning they sleep for a long time to save energy. Other animals in their migration to a warmer place where they can find food. Some animals hibernate to survive the winter. They go into a deep sleep and their bodies slow down. This helps them save energy when food is scarce. Bears, bats, and some squirrels hibernate. Plants and animals change in response to the changing seasons. These changes help them survive throughout the year. Seasons affect plants and animals in many different ways. Understanding how plants and animals respond to seasonal changes helps us to understand how those plants and animals live and survive. Thank you for watching.